Hey guys, sorry for the delay. It's been a long day. I'm gonna get this slider done right now for the Venom set by Kale New. Let's get a timestamp. 9/11. 9/11 on Sunday the 5th of December here in Perth. We've got 43 spots. Tyler at 43 down to number 1 at Dak. Dak at number 1 down to Tyler at number 43. Roll that dice, 3 of them in fact. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 6, 8. Alright, good luck everyone. Hit me up when you've seen this and I'll have it out in the mail tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6, 7, 8. 2 more to go. 7, and lucky last. Good luck. Let's have a look who that winner is. Spot number 1. It is Jason. Congrats, mate. Send me a message and I'll have these posted out in the mail for you tomorrow. Double check that 3, 6, 7, 8. Go back down here 8 times. Get a stamp. Time there is 9:13. Sorry, 7:13 on Sunday the 5th of December. 7:13 on Sunday the 5th of December. Yep. Jason. Thanks everyone.